Meet the Genval Dining Arm Chair with cushion by Ratana, sleek, airy, and designed to make lingering over dinner feel effortless. The sculpted aluminum frame and refined rope detailing give it a modern, architectural look, while the tailored seat cushion brings that elevated, lounge-worthy comfort to everyday meals and weekend entertaining. Engineered for life outdoors, Genval pairs a rust-resistant, powder-coated frame with hand-woven, UV-resistant rope that's made to handle sun, rain, and daily use. The included performance cushion keeps its color and shape beautifully, so your setup stays crisp and polished season after season without demanding fussy upkeep. Care is blissfully simple. A quick rinse or gentle wipe keeps the frame and rope looking fresh, and the cushion spot cleans easily. Built with commercial quality construction, Genval is sturdy yet pleasantly lightweight, and it's backed by generous residential warranties, so you get style, substance, and peace of mind in one beautiful chair. If you want a dining chair that looks elevated, feels inviting, and stands up to real outdoor living, Genval checks every box. So if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.